Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Okay, I heard you mention a lot of these terms, but about stewardship and ownership. Then I would just like to know what's the difference between these two terms.
Okay. Wait. Okay, so there are two ways to view life. One way is to view life like you are the owner. That means you are the boss of your life. Whatever you do, you are the boss. You are in charge of your life. That's one way of viewing life. Okay. Another way of viewing life is you are a steward. That means you are given this number of days on earth right now. So what you want to do with your time on earth Okay, so there's two ways to view life. One way is I'm the boss, and one way is I am a manager of my life. So who do you think will do better?
Boss.
Why do you think the boss will do better?
Because the boss has less workload.
Okay. So the answer is when you treat yourself as a boss, right? And here, my life, I'm the boss of my life. Then right now you go and say, hey, I want to take drugs or not. Then I say, hey, I'm the boss, I decide what I want to do, so I just hurt myself. So I want to do something that hurt you or not, or hurt others or not. Then, no, I'm the boss, right? I can decide what I want to do. So then end up you will hurt yourself, you may hurt those people around you. So to actually be a good person is to view yourself that you are actually a manager of your life. Yeah. That means you are a manager, that means your time is limited. Then what you want to do right now in your life? Then when you know what you want to do right now in your life, then there are certain, as a manager, you have certain rules, correct? Okay, what are the rules that apply to you? So you manage your life according to those rules. Just an example, right now, you think you heard of fund managers, right? Okay, private investors, people who invest on their own, and fund managers. Who do you think do better? Generally,
Fund managers.
Why? Because it's not their money. They think it's not their money. So their objective, right, of doing well is just to follow the rules. Follow the risk rules, follow the way to how to invest. They follow the rules. But if you are a private investor, you'll be thinking, how to make money. You'll get emotional over the whole thing. Do you follow what I'm saying? So a fund manager generally do better. Okay. Why? Because their job is to follow the rules so that they can keep their job. And that's why they continue to do better. So is it with life also? Life also the same thing. If you view yourself as a boss, you may anyhow do, end up you're accountable for no one. But if you think that your life is limited, you're given a limited number of days on earth, right? Then you may want to consider wisely what you want to do. And this also applies to everything in life. It means whether it is like you're viewing you like car, right? Let's say, for example, you buy a car right now, and then you think, this car is mine, I own it. So if it's a new car, then what are you scared of? Like accidents, people scratch your car, things crowd.
Yeah.
Definitely will be fearful of this crowd. But if you feel yourself like I'm actually a steward, that means I'm given this car and what I want to use for this car. So your attitude will change, How can you use this car for yourself, for others around you? Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's a very subtle difference, but actually it will change the way you live your life. Do you follow what I'm saying?
So better to manage your life and be the boss of it.
Yeah, to think of your life as not belonging to you, to think of your money that you manage doesn't belong to you. You are a fund manager, you are a steward of your life, you are a steward of things that are around you. Then you become a better steward. You become a better steward, and then the end result is you do better. Do you follow what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.